Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a project share, but it's going to be a little bit different because I thought that I would kind of show the process that I go through to put these embellishments together. It's going to be a quick video. I sped up the footage, so if you have any questions, I do have a video on how I do my basic sewing on my sewing machine. Nothing has really changed except for the model of my sewing machine. But all the settings are the same. So if you have a question, leave it down below, and if I have answered it, I will refer you to that video. And if you guys are interested in the die cuts that I used in this video, they are in my shop, and I will leave a link down below in the description box. So do enjoy just a sped up process video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I do look forward to answering your questions in my next video, where I will show off the junk journal that I use these embellishments in. Thank you so much again for checking out my video and my shop, and for your support, and for subscribing and checking out my videos. Thank you so much.
Look at your little fudge. Look at your little fudge.